Agpada nga aginana ti plano dagiti grade 10 science class student ani Ace Rover ken Malayka para iti masungad a mid-school year break dagiti estudyante ti public schools. Sumagmamanungal daw sakbay amang rugi ti makalawas a bakasyon da, makumikumda pay laeng para ti naduma-dumang aktibidad iti eskwela ken periodical exam da. Ken para kadakwada, makatulong ti makalawas nga awanan klase da, amang sugbot kadagiti puyat ken banugda.
Actually just chilling in the house, and I will have to get my sleep since the exam, the performance tasks, and reviewing for everything, especially the preparation for the DSTF has taken a toll on me. So I'm gonna stay at home, go to sleep all day. This is needed because aside from the sleeping at night, we don't really get much of it. So I think it's best that there's like a mid-year break, so we could take a break from all the tasks that is actually almost overwhelming.
Since we were almost sleep deprived all month po, I will be spending my sem break almost just sleeping all day po. And then at October 28 po, we will be spending my lolo's birthday out of town.
Maibasar ti DepEd Order No. 12 Series of 2025 when iti multi-year implementing guidelines on the school calendar and activities na ito ding ti maudi alawas itaabulan ti Oktubre amid school year break. October 27 to 31 ti bakasyon dagiti ubing ken agresyum ti klase into November 3. Saan ang may kanti take-home activities dagiti ubing, idinto dagiti manursuro ti dumalan ti school-based in-service training when school-based inset.
Adala tamar aramid nga di inset, school-based inset, or sometimes cluster-based inset to be conducted by the schools or by the teachers. Adun po ti kasapol nga aramidin da during the break, isimpari reports da, and then they will also conduct some seminars that they need to conduct, no? And then naduma-duma pa. Ken at that period na nirana pa mat nga kwa. During the that is the time or ongoing na pala yung assessment and evaluation for reclassification. Dagiti nag-submit ti nga teachers ti folder da for reclassification under the expanded career progression.
Namnamaan met ni Schools Division Superintendent Amador Garcia ang makapag-relax latta dagiti manursuro kabayatan ti school-based inset babaen kadagiti wellness kan relaxation activities.
Numabaling kumapay kat aming nga training program kat it should not be conducted during school days. No? That's why some of our trainings were conducted Friday, Saturday, Sunday. No? Pero talagang maiwasan ngamin nga adrigi school days nga mausar, and teachers are required to attend the training kat kasapul nga panawan ri klase da. So we still conduct those training even during school days. Ngayon tatadagi ito'y sem break, this is the time for the schools, for the school heads to conduct niya pwede training kaya dang i-conduct na they weren't able to conduct during school days.
Na ito ding met itaalawas ti second periodical exam dagiti learners. Gagem ti mid-year school break amay kan inana dagiti learners. Ken namnamaen ti SDO Abra nga iti panagsubli dagiti learners into November 3 adunton enerhiya da para iti panagbasa da. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.